Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to add new tab on Excel program. So firstly open Excel, click on any new document, then click on file, click on options, in here click on customize ribbon, click on new tab, rename your new tab, then click on OK. And also you can add your new group, rename, then OK. You can select any icon. Now in this list you will find a lot of features. Select any feature which you want to add in your new tab. Just select that and click on add. After, click on OK. Now as we can see, we have in this list a new tab, and here is your group. So friends, it's a very useful feature to add new tab in Excel program. Hopefully friends, you like this video, and by this quick and very simple method we can know how to add new tab on Excel program. Thanks for watching.